Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out in the lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Subaru Forester 2.5i Touring. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner, and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, chrome trim, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. Competitive fuel economy and a spacious cabin make the 2015 Subaru Forester a solid pick for a small crossover SUV. This Subaru has 18-inch alloy wheels with all-season tires with lots of tread left. There is also a spare tire, splash guards, and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Subaru is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite high intensity low beam daytime running auto leveling headlamps, along with fog lights, heated wipers, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine with a variable transmission. This Subaru has full-time all-wheel drive, and its estimated drivers receive 27 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget that this Subaru only has 86,718 miles on it. At the back of the Subaru, you can see the antenna, rear spoiler, and the high mount light, along with the rear wiper, tow package, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Look into the cargo area. You see it is very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a durable cargo tray, a power outlet, and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice this Subaru has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrests with cup holders, as well as the seat back pockets. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Subaru is also equipped with a locking glove box, a perimeter alarm, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power liftgate, the power door locks, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This Subaru has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power dual moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 8 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, SiriusXM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have dual zone automatic climate control, and everything is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.